Ready to book your next trip with Airpaz Voucher?
Visit airpaz.com or download the Airpaz app.
Select your preferred travel product and continue to check out to reach the payment page. Look for the voucher/promo code field and enter the 16-digit Airpaz voucher number. If the booking exceeds your voucher, you can pay the remaining balance with your preferred payment method. Any remaining voucher balance cannot be redeemed for your next booking. Your voucher can only be used once for one transaction. Any unused balance expires and cannot be claimed later. If you're booking a hotel, avoid selecting Pay at Hotel at checkout, as this can prevent your voucher from working. Vouchers are valid for exactly 12 months from the date they are issued. Any lost or stolen vouchers cannot be replaced.
Need more help? Reach out to our customer support through our help center. Airpaz, your all-in-one travel booking platform.
Start traveling now.